Hello and good day. I'm making this short video to show simple steps how you can get into the classroom links for online class observations. We have made a shared folder where all the teachers have uploaded their lesson plans. For example, if we go to the Google Drive, we will be sharing this link with you. You can simply go to the campuses you want to. For instance, there are female inspectors and there are male inspectors. So if you are a male inspector, you would go to a male campus. The schedule has been divided day-wise. We will update it as per the new schedule now, but it's been divided into the days, so you do not find any difficulty. And for instance, you go to Monday, it's been further divided in the hours you have chosen for class observations. I will show you one of the lesson plans where you can go and copy the link, paste it in the browser, and you get into the class. So for example, you go to the first hour here, 9:30 to 10. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teachers scheduled during this hour. So for instance, there are 2 inspectors for male. You might be choosing, like one might be choosing 2 and the other might be choosing 3. And then you can go to their classes. I will open one of the lessons now. For example, we go to my own folder. This is my folder. This is my lesson plan. Once you double click on the lesson plan, it will open. Here is the link for online class. It's better to copy paste. Just copy the link and paste it in browser. Once you paste and enter, it's a guest link. Anyone from anywhere can enter in the session with the link. If we provide you this link, you just click on the link and you can join the class. So here you write your name. For instance, I'm writing my own name, and you click on join session. So you are in my class now. Because it's not my class time, there are no students, but I'm myself there. So you can see there is a moderator in the class. You would be entering as a silent observer in there. Like it won't need any permission at the instructor's part. You would simply get in the class, observe the time you want to, and once you're done, you can simply close it from here straight away. Once you close, now you want to get into the other session, like the other teacher's class. You close this one. Let's go to another teacher's class, for example. We go to 10 o'clock, for instance. There are multiple teachers here. You go to his class. For example, there's this teacher. We go to his folder. There's a lesson plan here. So this one is a Word file. So you just double click on the file. And you can click download. Once the file is downloaded, it's a Word file, just open it. So in the folder, every teacher has put his lesson plan and the activities, class activities he or she is going to use during the lesson. So you don't need to ask teacher during the class. They will be already in the folder. You just get into the folder, click on the link, and get into the class. For example, this is the lesson plan of Mr. Mohammed. Here is the link. So you double click on the link. You can just select it this way. Control C, you copy it. Go to the internet browser. It's recommended like you use Google Chrome, but you can use the other ones also. It's not a problem. So you go to Chrome here, paste the link and enter. You write your name and join the session. So you can see this is section number 14. This is that teacher's class. You write your name, join the session. So this is not the class time, because if we go back to the folder, this class is at 10 o'clock, 10 to 11. So the link will only be valid for that hour. So if you're accessing that link later or earlier, it may not be available. So you'll be following the hours given here. This is Saudi time, and you go to the folder, click on the link. It's better to copy and paste the link in the browser and get into the class. We'll have a further meeting in the afternoon, and we'll elaborate it further to you, and you can try a few links, and I hope everything goes fine. Thank you very much.